Hi, Tom Brickhouse with Growth Matrix. I just want to end this year with a little update, a little look at a comparison. Compare two charts of the S&P 500, which is SPX, what it did in 103 weeks from the week of January 2nd, 2017 to the week of December 17th, 2018. Now you can see for most of that time, the S&P 500 had a huge run. Got a little volatile there, came back up. But as of late, it has really come down significantly, especially the last 4 weeks. It's been just devastated. But let's say back in January 2nd of 2017, you had just bought a position, shares, to ride this huge uptick, this big run here, this bullish run, and you just held it. Well, you wouldn't be you'd be a little nervous right now because you'd still be sitting on a gain, but it would only be 4.61%. So things wouldn't be looking too good for you, and they aren't for many people. And who knows how low this will go. So let's compare that to the same time period with Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin, BTC, in the same amount of time, if you'd have bought back in the same time, it went through this huge, almost got up to $20,000 at one point. And then all of this year, most all of this year, 2018, it was in a bear market and came down significantly. And as of late, it's come down a lot. And it's got some people nervous. But if you had bought at the same time, as you can see, even with this entire bull market, if you had held your ground and not panicked, you're still up 379.37% in the same 103 weeks. So I'm just pointing this out because don't let anybody try to convince you that Bitcoin isn't a good investment or isn't here to stay. And I'll talk more about that later, but I just wanted to put this out real quick. And if you want to know what I'm doing in the Bitcoin world to increase my Bitcoin, there's a link below. So check it out. And thanks for watching.